What's up, gang? What's up, crew? Today I'm doing a pheasant quail hunt down at this place called Rocky Mountain Roosters. This would be my first hunt doing any type of bird, small game, and we're gonna get that done. I'm kind of excited. New little area, new little place I've never been to. Just trying to expand that hunting season, that hunting license, get my money's worth, and we're gonna get it done. But I'll let you guys go and enjoy the ride, enjoy the view while I'm driving there, and I'll see you when I get there.
So have you shot a lot of clays and stuff?
In the past I have, but not recently.
Okay. Well, these birds are, you know, they're pen raised, but they act just like wild birds. They walk, run, fly, sit tight. I mean, it's, you know, they do everything that wild birds do. Where are they, Colt? Alright, we'll just kind of cut over this way.
All right.
And you're just going to stay on this side of this brush right here.
Okay.
Colt, here. Tom. So what do you do for a living?
I work in healthcare.
Oh, okay. I mean, you guys are crazy busy now, huh?
Yeah.
I always have to be behind you, so. Come on, Brody. Go find a bird. Find a Brody. Come on. All right, so I'm going to have you kind of start out right here on this little hill. I'm going to work back behind, and I'm going to be in that.
So just going to head this way?
Yep. Yep.
Right.
So, yeah, just kind of stay on this side. You don't have to be real close to the brush. You want to be out just a little bit so you can kind of see over the top of it. So, all right, give me just a minute and I'll be going through.
All right. righty.
Oh, here. Oh, here. Oh, here. Man, that's thick in there. We don't have any trails going through there yet. All right, I'm going to have you stay over on this right-hand side.
Alrighty.
Colt, here. All right, let's walk up this way. Colt, here. Colt, here. Oh, there he is. Oh, I wonder if he jumped up in the tree. All right, yeah, get up on that. Let's see which way you're going to go. Right, get up on that. Bang. Yeah, he's looking up at the tree. Oh, I see it.
I don't see it.
that little dead branch that's hanging down? Okay, if you look right through the crotch, he's right straight back behind that, sitting on a branch. Okay.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Okay. God, which way is he gonna go? Why don't you come over on this side?
All right.
And go out just kind of next to that little field out there.
Yes, sir.
And I'm gonna throw a stick up there and see if I can get him to fly.
Alrighty.
I'm hoping he goes that way.
I'm ready.
Make sure when he's flying, make sure you shoot in front of him.
Yes, sir.
Don't shoot where he is, shoot where he's gonna be. Look, there he goes, Bert!
No, sir. No. I know.
Scared him, no. Did he fly over across the tires?
No. Where we were, that's where he went.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, we'll go back through there again. So let's might as well just keep working up this little tree line here. Colt, here. No bird. No bird. No bird.
Sorry about that, buddy.
All right. Reload your gun. Colt, here.
Well, that sucked.
What's that?
I missed him.
Yeah. Just stay up on that side for right now since you're over there.
Alrighty.
Just gonna work up through here and see if there's anything else. Well, you know, I probably should tell you, you're probably the only one that's ever missed. You believe me?
The first one I missed, the only one to miss today.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Look at that. Somebody got him one. Damn, that was pretty cool. Dadgum.
Yeah, let's keep working up towards the fence over here. I should have had you on this side, you know?
No worries.
Why don't you come over this way? Colt, here. Colt, no, Chuck. Colt, Brody, no bird, no bird, no Over. Okay, those are chuckers.
Okay.
They're about the size of a pigeon.
Mm-hmm.
They order they taste the best is chuckers, hens, and then roosters. So if you get a chance to shoot them chuckers, shoot them.
Will do.
I didn't release any chuckers for you. They've been out here for a couple days, so they're going to be skittish, very skittish. And they like to be together. So if you find one you might like that, there had to be at least 6 of them in there.
Yeah.
And I guess you've probably noticed when a bird gets up, I always yell bird, just so that you know that it's something to shoot at.
Yeah. But I'm definitely gonna shoot with you in between.
Yeah. Well, even when those got up, I got down.
Yeah, I saw you.
So
I saw you.
yeah, for an old guy, I can still move pretty quick.
Listen, this is fun. Killing is fun, but I'm not.
Yeah.
I'd rather have you alive, buddy.
Yeah. Oh yeah, me too. First, I'm probably worth more to the wife dead than I am alive, but that, you know.
That's all right. That's our little secret.
Guy that was in here yesterday,
Yeah.
said he didn't find any chuckers at all.
Wow.
So, you know, but they're out here just walking around too, you know, they're left over from another hunt or
Yeah.
whatever. But so they flew down this way. We'll kind of work over towards this little bank right here. Colt, here. Colt, calm. Oh, sorry, bro. Wrong dog. Colt, here. Colt, calm.
Yeah, they were in this little.
Yeah, somewhere over here is where we move. Colt, here. Calm. Stay close. Let's see if he finds him here. And these guys are supposed to respond to my hand signals, so if you see me going like this or whatever, that's for the dogs. I can verbally tell you where to go if I want to.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Or if I have to. Colt, here. Colt, here. Oh, he's going for water. All right, let's work around over.
Go down?
No, stay up top.
Gotcha.
Stay up high. Try and kind of like elk hunting. Once you get the elevation, keep it.
Keep it.
That way you got so much more ground below you that if a bird does get up, you don't have to worry so much about the dogs. That's our concern, you know. It's always dogs. They can get pretty expensive.